This is the Eyelid retractable hose mounted on our wall. We live in a cold climate, and I want to thank Eyelid for sending us this unit because now we don't have to worry about mounting this in the winter and summer when it gets too cold and you want to make sure your hose doesn't freeze. So you just got to make sure that it's lined up at the bottom, and that's it. Install and remove this part here. Slips on and off, made of plastic. We have it mounted on our siding. The hose is right here. One of the nice details that it does come with is this plastic sliding glove type thing to loosen and tighten your hose. And when you have an old one like this, it's nice to have that extra grip. Bolts right onto our siding. We have actually wood and cement or concrete siding, and we pre-drilled the old hose that was here before, so I knew that we could mount it here on our wall. Quality itself is nice and sturdy plastic. The details on the extra washer, you can see there's a lot of soil. We've been using it for our gardening, and it's got all the different labeled streams, soaker, jet, all the classic ones. It does have a brush to keep things clean when you pull and retract. And we got this specifically to replace our old kinker. We were tired. Tell me if you've been there before, of these old hoses that just easily kink, these cheapos. And look how short that one is. The Eyelid is 100 feet, so it can go all around our home, mounted right here next to our water line and used easily. We've got all the classic features. You can leave it on. We've got shower mode, rinse mode, center, flat, mist, soaker, jet, angle, cone, and back to shower. So you got all of that. It also includes the washers that were here to make sure it doesn't leak. And it's just as good as any of the name brand, probably built by the same people, who knows? But the quality is really good. And the best part is, like I said, if you live in a cold climate, you can easily remove one-handed. I would recommend two, but I can lift these easily. It's just a matter of lining up that gets a little bit more difficult with one person. The weight of it, because it's a 100 reel hose, makes it a little bit cumbersome for one person, but as you can see, I was still able to mount it back in place. So again, I want to thank Eyelid for sending us this unit. Now we don't have to worry. It actually matches with our home siding with a really easy and smooth retraction. If you like these kind of reviews, we do these reviews all the time. I hope that this was helpful. Please consider following the channel. Thank you.